First of all, I want to say congratulate to all of the Ecomi-Omi token holder guy to the moon. Okay, since last time I introduced to you all about Ecomi and Thinksmart Brother, we were super excited about Ecomi, and we say this is the hidden gem, this is the unicorn, and we push in over $500,000 into Ecomi. And so far, guys, guess what happened? It's already up 3x already. So this is amazing, guys. So congratulations one more time to all of the Ecomi holder if you guys take action. Okay, like I say, the purpose of this video is to congratulate you guys for taking action, and I'm not creating this video to tell you guys should you buy right now or not buy right now. But this video, I want to give you guys the newest update. Number one is why Ecomi rise today. What is going on? What happened? Why did the price start to jump? Second reason is a lot of people ask me, Jimmy, is right now is the best time to buy more in, or it is time for them to sell, or they hold? Well, let me give you a little bit update, and I'll answer the question one by one. Okay, so first thing, the update is this. If you take a look at the chart right now, is the price right now is 0.0062 early in the morning. Right now the price is at 0.006 or 0.059 for the first time right now after 6 months, because last time the only price go all the way up to almost 1 cent, like around 1 cent or a little bit more. So right now the market cap size of Ecomi is $1 billion. That is a good thing. That means this company start to stabilize, and they have a lot more moving part. They have a lot of more licensing coming in, and it's a proven business model. So the market cap is $1 billion. That is a good thing. Congratulate to all of the Ecomi and VV team. Okay, now take a look down here. Last 7 days ago, the price is around like 0.035, and 1 month ago, let me see this. 1 month ago, okay, it's around 0.027, and the volume is around like 3 million. Today the volume is like 20 million already. Okay, so if you guys know that, we spot Ecomi like several months ago, like probably like 6 months ago, something like that, and we push into Ecomi, we buy at the price of 0.0015, and or even a little bit lower, and after that we add more, like we push in really heavy, and after that we add more, like buy at 0.025, 0.03, 0.035, and sometimes I even buy more at 0.004. So I mean, like, I'm super excited that we actually start to profit a good amount of money into the Ecomi. But like I say, congratulate for someone who already profit into Ecomi as well. And like I say to you guys before, right, I always love to spot opportunity at the early stage, even though when many people they think it's a risk, but I see potential at the early stage, and I like to invest into something when it's not too obvious. And for me, if anything is too obvious, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, thing like that, chance are I will not invest in. Okay, that's just the way I invest, and that's just the way Thinksmart Brother invest. I like to invest into something when I see it's very, very small, or something that have potential but not many people realize. Like for example, the reason I invest into Ecomi, because Ecomi haven't listed onto a major exchange. They just list onto BITFOREX, and I invest into it because I see the opportunity that they can list onto Binance. They will list onto COINBASE and many other major exchange, and I saw it's so hard to buy, and that is the reason why I start to buy and figure out how to buy at the beginning. So that is the way that I invest, because when things become so obvious to everyone, then chance are you lose the opportunity to 10x or even more. So now I think Ecomi is still at a very early stage. Right now there are so many things that Ecomi say they do, but they haven't do yet. They haven't really launched the VV-verse, which is the game allow you to play a game and making money, and more like a a Disney digital land in the future. They haven't really unleashed a lot of licensing for, you know, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Batman, and a bunch of, like, you know, license from top brand name like Universal Studio, Capcom, Pokemon, and many different things. So a lot of things they haven't accomplished yet. So I think right now Ecomi is still at a very, very early stage. So Jimmy, so what happened? Why the price started to jump? So let's jump right in. If you have the Telegram of Ecomi, which is right now, this is the announcement group on Telegram. This is what they say. They say, in preparation for immutable X migration, a lot of investor and trader right now, they've been waiting for the immutable X. Like, they're waiting for Ecomi to change to immutable X Ethereum platform, and now they say in preparation. So they prepare to move to immutable X. Swapping between GoChain, so they start to swapping from GoChain platform right now to transfer to Ethereum OMI. Okay, all swap were in progress and pending fee payment has been automated distributed. When the migration to immutable X is ready, there will be options available for the new swap from GoChain OMI to Ethereum WOMI. So let me recap for you guys. So the idea in here, if you click right here, so many people start to be excited. They say, oh man, look at that. Holy shit, it's happening. OMI gate. I have WOMI, plenty of time to migrate. We will have instruction. So I think that if they start to switch to immutable X, then maybe they're going to give us some instruction whether BITFOREX, they're going to automatic update so that you don't have to do anything and you're still able to hold on to your OMI token. Or maybe we have to do something, I don't know yet. But the point here I try to say is, so many people right now, they are FOMO. I mean, like, they are fear of missing out right now, that they say, oh man, yeah, Ecomi about to move to immutable X, it's going to explode, it's going to go to a lot of different exchange. So they traded, they start to power in money right now. It's kind of like back then, you know, Dogecoin, people start to FOMO and they start right from like 50 cents all the way to 75 cents. So it's the same thing what happened right now with Ecomi. People are FOMO right now and they don't want to miss out on immutable X, and they're scared it's going to jump into like 1 cent or even 2 cents or even more. And they're scared it's going to listen to a lot of major exchange, so people start to hop onto Ecomi, and some YouTuber probably out there start talking about more about Ecomi because they see the opportunity right now. So that is the reason why Ecomi start to jump, because the immutable X new right here. Thank you, but immutable X swap had not going on long enough. Pause right here, please answer right here. Have the same question. So they have a lot of messages going here about the immutable X is planning to move. The network is planning to move to immutable X. So that is the idea, guy. So if you see the price jump right now, that is part of the reason. Number one, YouTubers start to talk about Ecomi right now, and they probably say something about immutable X start to happen very soon, and the team is working on that right now. So people, they are FOMO and they jump on in. So now I know what happened already. You guys know what happened on for it already. So you guys gonna ask me this question like, Jimmy, should I buy right now, or should I hold, or should I sell? First of all, I'm not gonna give any advice of what you guys should do or what you guys should not. Okay, because either way, if I right or am I wrong, you guys gonna go back and say thing to me. Okay, I'm going to say something basic for me. So for anyone right now that already purchased Ecomi a good amount, like for example me, right? I spot Ecomi at a very early age, and I invest very heavy. So my style of invest is, when I spot a unicorn, I push really heavy, like a heavy ton of money into those companies when I spot is a potential unicorn. So we invest $500,000 into Ecomi, and after that, guess what happened? I started dollar cost averaging several months ago, like when it at 0.002, 0.0025, 0.003, 0.0035. I add those kind of things in. Right now, I'm not purchased more. Okay, I'm still waiting. Okay, because I know a lot of people late in the game, they may pump it up and they may going down. So for anyone who already hold a good amount, my take is just hold. Okay, just hold. Okay, if you have more money, you believe into it, then buy more. But I buy enough already, so I'm hold right now. If for anyone that is new and they love Ecomi and they see it has potential, and you guys haven't purchased any, should you guys buy right now or should you guys not? Well, only you guys know the best. Let me give you my take. When I see an opportunity that I really believe in, and I haven't purchased any coin, or I haven't purchased any of the stock or whatsoever, I'm just giving an example. The first question I'm asking myself is, what do I see this coin in the next 3 years? Or what do I see in the next 1 year? If I see in the next 1 to 3 years they have the potential to 10x, and the company have the direction, the roadmap, where they're heading, and I see if the answer is yes, there is potential they can 10x, then chances are I will invest into the company immediately without even thinking. That's just me. Because if the company can 10x in the future, and I invest for a long term, and I am not a day trader, so I have nothing to lose, I am not afraid. So I invest and hold it for a long term. That's just my take. So I answered that question for you, right? If anyone looking to invest for a long term and you haven't buying anything, the best time is always now. Because the best time is several months ago, but the best insane time is several years ago. Hope I answered that question for you. Now, what about should you guys sell right now or not? Well, I don't know what your goal is, but for me, when I invest into something, the only time I sell is this. Number one is I really need the money. Like I say again, the only time I sell is when I really need the money, when I invest into long term. If I need the money, for example, I need to buy a house, or I really need the money to to invest into a venture capital, or when I need the money to create a bigger company, or sometime, like for example, 6 months ago, I make the decision to sell 3 of my favorite stock, and it's a really tough decision. I say, you know what? I don't have the that much of my budget to invest into those coins, and I saw there is so much potential into those coins at 2 or 3 cents. And I say, you know what? I hate to sell Rolls Royce. I love Rolls Royce, but I have to sell Rolls Royce and IPOE, which is SoFi, and Palantir. Even though I love the company so much, and I say I have to sell those companies and push into those coins. So the only time that I sell is when I don't have a lot of budget, but I saw a huge opportunity that inside my body, my soul, and my mind is telling me that this is the right investment. Okay, then I sell. If you have a better opportunity and you believe it so much that you don't want to miss out on the opportunity, then you could sell Ecomi and do that. Okay, but if you don't have anything else that is better than Ecomi that you believe so much, then don't sell. Or if you think that you need the money, or the second reason is if you think that you need the money right now, you win enough amount of money already, it satisfy your goal, then go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. Number 3, if right now, if you feel like you win enough amount of money, and if later on, if Ecomi go back to like 0.003, it going down like 50%, and you feel like, oh crap, I wish I sell at 0.005A, or I wish I sell at 0.006, then I would profit some money. If you are still wishing and worry, then maybe there is a better chance for you to sell right now. Because I don't want you to regret, right? You don't want to regret yourself as well. Like to me, I'm not selling because even though it's go back to 0.003 or 0.02, I am not afraid at all. Why? Because it's an opportunity for me to buy more and dollar cost averaging again, right? And that's exactly what I'm doing when it's go to like 0.004, 0.05, and it went down to 0.003, I buy more. When it go down to 0.02, I am not panicking. I buy more because why? I invest in the next 3 to 5 years because I saw the vision of the company. It's simple as that, okay? So I hope I answered your question. All right, guys, good luck. I am not a financial advisor, but good luck and always invest like a genius.